Hello everybody, hope you all are doing well. So today I'm going to be showing you how I make this soft and fluffy sugar donuts. So keep on watching if you want to see how I make this. This is Bernice and you're welcome to Bernice Kitchen. So in no particular order, I'm just going to go ahead to add in my flour, yeast, sugar, powdered milk, nutmeg, and salt to taste. So everything I use in this, all the ingredients used in this video will be listed in the description box below. So do not hesitate to check that out, alright? Yep. So after adding the ingredients, I'll go ahead to give it a good mix. So after that, I'll go ahead to add in my egg yolk and cold milk, or you can just add cold water if you don't want to use milk, since I've already added powdered milk to this. So I'll just combine this till it forms a ball. All right, then after which I'll go ahead and mix with my hands. Start mixing with my hands. Yeah, I know some of you will be like, cold milk? Did I just hear cold milk? Yes, cold milk. Cooking is all about experimenting. Just go ahead, try things out, and if it works for you, yeah, that's it. So I went ahead and used cold milk to knead. I was like, every time warm, let's see what will happen if we use cold milk at least. Yeah, and it came out perfectly well. All right, so after kneading this for like 5 minutes, you can see how sticky it is. Do not worry, I'll go ahead now and add in my butter. And at this time, I'll keep on mixing until the butter is well incorporated into this dough. I'll also keep on mixing till for like 5 minutes before I'll transfer the dough onto my work surface. Okay, yeah, it's sticky. Do not worry, do not even think of adding flour. Okay, if you add flour, you've altered the desired result, which is fluffy and soft donut. So by the time you keep on kneading this, you'll find out that this will no longer become sticky. Okay, this dough will no longer become sticky, and as you can see, the dough has started taking shape. It's no longer sticky. So I kneaded this for like 20 to 25 minutes. All right, yes, it's a good exercise for the hands. Yeah, so I kneaded this for like 20-25 minutes, and I'll just form this into a ball and I'll cut this into smaller sizes. And if you're watching this video and you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, please kindly do so. And if you like what you're seeing, please give me a thumbs up. All right, thank you very much. So I've gone ahead to divide the dough into 10 pieces, or you can divide to your preferred sizes. Okay, then I'll make a round ball to make sure this is properly sealed. Just as I'm showing you, just roll your donut like so, and if along the line your hands become sticky, just dab some flour or vegetable oil onto your hands and continue rolling this. Okay, yeah, just take your time. You don't have to rush while doing this. All right, because we want the perfect round shape, because we are not using donut cutter for this. All right, okay. So after this process, I will just go ahead and use my towel and cover and allow this to rest for like 15 to 20 minutes. Then I'll dab some flour onto my hands to avoid this from getting sticky, and I would press this. Go ahead, also dab some flour, on the donuts, and use my palms to press the dough flat, not really flat but flat enough. Okay, then I'll use my icing decorating tool to make a hole, or you can use any round tool that is available to create that hole on your dough. All right, so I'll do this on all the donuts. I'll dab some flour in my hands and also on the dough also, and press down flat and use my tool to create a hole on the donuts. All right, and I would also place the donuts on a parchment paper. This way it will be easy for you to take it up while you want to fry, because if you just leave it that way, it's going to be difficult for you to pick up your donuts, and at the end of the day it might not really be as round, perfectly round. Yes, donuts might not come out perfectly round in one way or the other, except it's machine that is making it. But this one, it's homemade donuts, so we are after the round dough, but not perfect round dough, but something that it's also good. You want to eat something that is good, right? Reason for the parchment paper is because this dough tends to become softer as it rises. Okay, so I'll go ahead now. I've covered the dough and allow this to rest for like 30 to 45 minutes. Then heated my oil in my frying pan and for like 8 minutes, and I'll go ahead and start adding in the donuts dough, if that makes any sense. So I'm just going to fry until the the bottom side becomes golden brown. All right, so this recipe or this video is for beginners or for those that don't have any stand mixer in the house or donut cutter, so you do not have to worry, because I got you covered. I love you guys. So you can make donuts in your house even without your stand mixer or your donut cutter, and you will still be able to achieve that perfect donut. All right, so the other side is golden brown, and I'll go ahead and flip it over. And please do not fry on high heat, fry on a very low heat. If you do so by frying on high heat, the donut will get burnt and it won't cook properly inside. All right, so just allow this to sizzle just like so, and do not make the mistake, guys, to fry on very high heat. Okay, I don't know, I'm just saying this, but don't make that mistake. Don't be tempted. I was actually tempted, but don't be tempted. Okay, just ignore that voice that is saying increase. Don't increase. Just fry on a low heat and allow it to sizzle like so, and our donuts is ready. Okay, so after frying this, I'll go ahead and fry the rest, okay, behind camera. Guys, just check out this lovely, soft and fluffy donuts. So I'll just go ahead and rub in the sugar on the donut. So this is totally optional. You can do whatever thing you want to do with your donut. You can glaze these, and I have different ways of making donuts. Don't worry, if you want to see more ways on how I make, like other ways I make my donuts, do not forget to let me know in the comment section. Like this video if you enjoyed watching this video, and if you've learned anything from this video, please do not hesitate to share with your friends. Okay, can you see how soft and how fluffy this donut is looking, guys? When you try this recipe, please do not forget to let me know in the comment section and how it came out. All right, thank you very much for watching. I really appreciate you guys, and for always coming through for your girl. Okay, so this donut came out very well and it was so good. Thank you very much for watching. See you in my next video, and please do not forget to stay safe. Okay, I love you all. Bye.